Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some homemade flour tortillas, and these are just made with 5 simple ingredients that you probably already have in the house. So to start, let's add in 3 cups of all-purpose flour, then 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and we'll do a mix. Then we add in 5 tablespoons of butter, and we'll pour over 1 cup of hot water. We'll combine all these together until it turns into a shaggy dough. Then we'll knead the dough for a few minutes just so it all combines together really nicely. Then we will form it into a ball and stick it back into our bowl just so we can let it sit for at least 10 minutes, and you can let it sit out for up to 2 hours. Now let's take the dough out, and we will lightly flour our surface and then put some extra flour on the side. And we'll cut into our dough. I usually cut it into about 16 pieces using my bench scraper. Then we flour the surface again and roll the dough into a ball, and then start pressing it out into a circle. And you want to get it as thin as you can. I'm still mastering the art of rolling out my tortillas, so mine definitely don't end up being perfect circles, but I'm okay with that. They still end up tasting delicious. And we will repeat this process 16 times. With Valentine's Day right around the corner, you can also shape these tortillas into hearts. I'll be doing a separate video on a snack that I like to do around Valentine's Day for my girls. And here my favorite 3-year-old sous chef is coming to help me roll out a few of them. She usually will roll out 1 or 2 before she gives up because it does take a lot of work. Once you're done rolling out all of your tortillas, we'll heat up a pan on medium-high heat and add each tortilla in, and we'll cook them for 30 seconds on each side. I like them to be nice and golden brown, but if you want to go for 45 seconds to a minute on each side and make them darker, you can. Let me know in the comments if you try this recipe and how you like it. Thanks so much for watching today. And if you haven't already done so, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this one.